this is the early racism. If the darker your skin is, the lower income, the lower class you belong, and they would not want to marry someone who's really dark skinned, because it's sort of like, they didn't want to kind of
Mixed blood.
make the thing impure, right?
Right,
So which
right.
was, I mean, that's the sort of the idea of Jose Rizal saying that, which is also, if you go back, why would people want whitening? Why do people want to whiten their skin? It's because if you look at it historically, people with darker skin are people who are actually out in the farming, right? Doing all these chores so
Hard
that
labor.
all the people inside house, I mean, with the quarantine, people are realizing that they're actually fair skinned because they're not out there painit, no? Na, uy, mga puti naman hinuon tani, sige tag quarantine. So that's the situation in the past, and so it came to present nga, kung whiter imong skin, that means you belong to the upper class and you're treated differently than when you're dark skinned, because the dark skin, they assume nga ako anday ni siya kanang mag-uuman ni kuan ni kaning trabahante ni siya sa hacienda. So those ideas. So but